Welcome back. Let's say you just finished the render and just want to touch it up so that it pops before sending out to the client. This is a trick to help you. In Photoshop, after you've opened your image, slide down here and click on this icon and go to curves and select it. Once you have curves, you can make an S curve like I'm making here, bring it down and raise it up. Now this is your S curve and you can see my image is already looking good. Now some areas of this image are very dark, darker than I would like them. And to work with the S curve is very easy. All you need to do is to select the brush tool, click this, make sure you select one of your faded brush and adjust the size here to fit. Once you've done that, you can put this in gray mode so that you don't over clean it up. Now this is gray, you take your brush and then you clean up. Make sure you're in curves here. So you can see the areas that are too dark, I can just make them still visible. And if I need all these places to be not that dark, I can also touch it up. So any place I feel is too dark, I can, just convert that area while allowing the whole image to still be crisp. After that is done, the next thing is just to apply sharpness to your image. So you type in, hold down Control, Shift, Alternate, and E. It's going to create a new layer with all the changes you've made. You go to Filter, Sharpen, and on Sharpen Mask. So here the amount is 30. It depends on what you want, but normally I keep it between 30 and 80 depending on how the image is. This 50, you can see the preview here if you check on preview. The radius, I leave it at 1, I leave the threshold at 0 most times. And this is it, and you click OK. To export, you go to File, go to Export, Export As. It's going to have two options, JPEG or PNG. Just select whichever one you want. And click Export. It will ask you to save it somewhere. And click Save. So basically that's that. So this is our finished work, and this is the work before, and this is how to make your renders pop. And if you want to see how you can create good, high-quality renders, you can check out this complete tutorial I have on how to create exterior renders on D5. Thanks, catch you next time. Peace, ciao.